Hi guys, back file 240 for another Minecraft video. Today, I'm going how to watch the attack. Good. And some guys have started his webcam is good. This is actually pretty good. A lot of people are doing this and like the back recorder. So it's really tricky. Wow, not that much lag. Everybody's waiting. I hate roller coaster wraps that always got words because a lot of signs come. And I know guys, I know, don't put hate in the comments. I know the reason that the spines are there, but you can just turn to peaceful and they disappear. It's just, I don't like peaceful mode that much, so yeah, I just don't really like that much. Like, yeah, you have to go longer than you thought was. And it's a mob one with time. Then you go outside of the dome, and all these spines turn to you. So yeah. Not that bad. Probably making these for today, so let's keep well, nobody's actually asked, but he's gonna be there over the next steps. Maybe to 30. When I do get 30, I'll be very happy and just, yeah, but I don't have that much stuff, so much happier. Hopefully, 30 subs, but at the rate I'm getting right now, it's like pretty good. Like 2 subs every couple of days if I'm getting right now. Pretty good. In a couple of days I'll probably have 12, 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, 22. Yeah. That's really good. Actually, think of that. No, I know. No. Oh, damn it. Didn't start iron. Oh, personally, but I'm going to end this video here. So, this is Fire signing out. And remember to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the comment. It really, really, really helps me, guys. So yeah, bye.